Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Moomoo, Tiger Broker and Ibkr. Moomoo, Tiger Broker and Ibkr are trading platforms, each offer different features. Moomoo offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface with advanced tools, which is great for beginners. It provides good marketing analysis and easy access to features. However, its advanced tools might take some time to understand fully. On the other hand, Tiger Brokers provides low trading fees and access to global markets, great for cost-effective options. It offers a clean design, but its platform can feel a bit complicated for new users. The app speed and features are solid once you get used to it. Meanwhile, Ibkr Interactive Brokers is known for its low-cost trades and vast range of markets. It offers advanced research tools, making it perfect for experienced traders. However, its interface can be complex and overwhelming for beginners. In my opinion, Moomoo is best for beginners, Tiger Brokers for low fees, and Ibkr for experienced traders. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.